The eighth element is the publication date. And one of the most important things you can note about the publication date is that it is recorded as day, month, year. And the month is abbreviated to 3 letters followed by a period, except for March, April, May, June, July, and September. March, April, May, June, and July are all written in their full form with no period. September, for reasons I don't really fully understand, is abbreviated in 4 letters, so it's SEPT followed by a period. All other months are abbreviated to 3 letters followed by a period. Okay, you should include the time if it is relevant. For example, Mr. Egan's tweet. Another example would be in the view history, the back end, the editing history of a Wikipedia page. The rule is if you don't find a date of publication, we discourage you from using the source. It should have at least somewhere a little copyright date at the bottom to show that it is actually being maintained. If you can't, one of the exceptions, of course, is that the federal government does not tend to include that little last updated information. CIA World Factbook does, but there are a plethora of government publications that do not include that information. So of course you should use government documents where appropriate, but it is frustrating that there is no date of publication. So in that instance, what you're going to do is include a date of access after the URL. So we've given you an example here. This website, Poverty and Human Trafficking, is actually an excellent one. We vetted it carefully here in this library, and we've followed the URL with a period and then accessed on the date that we accessed it, followed by another period. So here is an example of a government website, and you can see there's no date of publication, so we added the access to 8 of February 2017 at the end.